मुझे लगता है कि तुम गलत हो। It seems to me that you are wrong. It seems to me that you are wrong. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं। I have no money. I have no money. उसे ईश्वर में विश्वास नहीं है। He has no faith in God. He has no faith in God. वह एक बार में घंटों के लिए लिख सकता है। He will write for hours at a time. He will write for hours at a time. तुम्हें इतना जल्दी आने की जरूरत नहीं थी। You did not have to come so early. You did not have to come so early. भारत की राजधानी नई दिल्ली है। The capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of India is New Delhi. फोन कई बार बजा। The telephone rang several times. The telephone rang several times. हमारी मुलाकात गलती से हो गई। Our meeting was quite accidental. Our meeting was quite accidental. मैं उसका दोस्त हूँ और रहूँगा। I am his friend and will remain so. I am his friend and will remain so. वह हफ्ते में एक बार बाजार जाती थी। She went to the market once a week. She went to the market once a week. उन्होंने अपने ऊपर मुसीबत बुलाई। They brought trouble on themselves. They brought trouble on themselves. तुम कोई दिलचस्प किताब पढ़ रहे हो क्या? Are you reading an interesting book? Are you reading an interesting book? मैं अपनी नई गाड़ी से बहुत खुश हूँ। I am really pleased with my new car. I am really pleased with my new car. हम एक दिन भारत का सफर करने जाएंगे। Someday we will take a trip to India. Someday we will take a trip to India. तुम आमतौर पर रात में खाना खाने के बाद क्या करते हो? What do you usually do after dinner? What do you usually do after dinner? उसने हल्के से उसके कंधे पर हाथ रखा। He put a hand gently on her shoulder. He put a hand gently on her shoulder. माफ कीजिएगा, पर मैं आपको ठीक से सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ। I am sorry, but I cannot hear you well. I am sorry, but I cannot hear you well. डिनर किसके साथ करोगे? Who are you going to eat dinner with? Who are you going to eat dinner with? मुझे उसके बयान की सच्चाई पर शक है। I doubt the veracity of his statement. I doubt the veracity of his statement. यह मशीन बिजली से चलती है। This machine is driven by electricity. This machine is driven by electricity. महमूद बड़ा निर्दयी आदमी था। महमूद was a cruel man. महमूद was a cruel man. टैगोर महान कवि था। टैगोर was great poet. टैगोर was great poet. मकान को आग लग रही थी। The house was on fire. The house was on fire. हरिराम लुहार नहीं था। हरिराम was not a blacksmith. हरिराम was not a blacksmith. वह झूठा नहीं था। He was not a liar. He was not a liar. उसकी माँ खाना बनाने में लगी हुई थी। Her mother was busy cooking the dinner. Her mother was busy cooking the dinner. माँ ने उसके लिए एक सुंदर सी गुड़िया खरीदी. Mother bought a beautiful doll for her. Mother bought a beautiful doll for her. इस तरह की आम कहावत को कौन नहीं जानता? Who does not know such a simple proverb? Who does not know such a simple proverb? मुझे भरोसा है कि वह अपना वादा निभाएगा. I am confident he will keep his promise. I am confident he will keep his promise. उसकी अपने पहले पति से एक लड़की थी. She had a daughter by her first husband. She had a daughter by her first husband. आप थोड़ा आगे खिसक सकते हैं क्या? Would you just move along a bit, please? Would you just move along a bit, please? मेरे पास तुम्हारी काम में मदद करने के लिए समय नहीं है. I have no time to help you with the work. I have no time to help you with the work. टीचर ने कहा बस आज के लिए इतना ही. The teacher said that is all for today. The teacher said that is all for today. मैं इस शोर को और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I cannot put up with that noise any longer. I cannot put up with that noise any longer. चूहा जिंदा है या मर गया है? Is the mouse dead or alive? Is the mouse dead or alive? यह तो बहुत ही अच्छा सुझाव है. That is really a great idea. That is really a great idea. रविवार को खुला होता है क्या? Is it open on Sunday? Is it open on Sunday? यह रेशम जैसा लगता है. This feels like silk. This feels like silk. मुझे देर से आने के लिए माफ कीजिएगा. Please pardon me for coming late. Please pardon me for coming late. उस पहाड़ की चोटी चपटी है. The top of that mountain is flat. The top of that mountain is flat. तुम्हें उससे गप्पे मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. You do not have a chat with them. You do not have to chat with them. उसको हमेशा पैसों की कमी होती है. He is always running short of cash. He is always running short of cash. यह साबित कर दिया गया कि वह चोर था. He was proved. It was proved that he was a thief. It was proved that he was a thief. यह काम दोपहर 3 बजे से पहले खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. The job must be finished by 3 p.m. The job must be finished by 3 p.m. कल मौसम अच्छा होगा क्या? Will the weather be good tomorrow? Will the weather be good tomorrow? Thank you, friends. These are daily English sentences. Friends, वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो शेयर, लाइक, कमेंट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए. थैंक यू.